so-called Honeymoon murder trial in Alabama. Jurors heard from the leader of the fatal scuba diving trip and the victim's sister. 2020 co-anchor Elizabeth Vargas joins us now from Birmingham with the latest on this. Elizabeth, good morning.
Good morning, Robin. It was a dramatic and very, very tense day here in this Alabama court yesterday as the dive organizer took the stand to describe that final morning, that final fatal dive by Gabe and Tina Watson. Under a bristling cross-examination, it became very clear that Tina Watson had no business being in the water that day.
And again,
the man in charge of Tina Watson's fatal dive at Australia's Great Barrier Reef admitted he had no idea the 26-year-old newlywed had never dived in the ocean before. Her only experience was a handful of shallow dives with a guide in an Alabama pond.
Did you ask whether she had ever had any problems with her certification, which would have told you that she had had a panic episode?
No.
In fact, she had panicked underwater while learning how to dive. Wade Singleton also admitted he violated diving regulations by allowing Tina to take the dive with her husband of 11 days without a guide.
If something happened to Gabe underwater, do you think Tina was in any position with her experience to do anything to help him?
Probably not.
It was Wade Singleton who spotted Tina lying on the ocean floor and rushed her 100 feet to the ocean's surface to give her CPR. Prosecutors also called Tina's younger sister, Alonda, to the stand.
my dad told me that there had been an accident and that Tina had drowned.
She told jurors Gabe never contacted Tina's family to tell them what happened, and that he reassured her mother on the phone from Australia that he stayed with Tina the 40 long minutes that Wade Singleton and rescue divers tried to save her.
He promised us all that he was with her the whole time.
In fact, Gabe was on a different boat, far from the frantic rescue efforts. But while prosecutors were able to raise troubling questions about Gabe's character and judgment, they have struggled to present any evidence that he actually killed her for money, as they claim. And when prosecutors tried to show that Gabe's request at the funeral home for Tina's engagement ring was suspicious, the judge angrily dismissed them.